Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing for salad. This easy method will have you enjoying delicious homemade dressing in no time. We'll start by gathering a few common ingredients, then quickly mix them together. You'll be amazed at how much better fresh ranch tastes compared to store-bought versions. Get ready to elevate your salads with this simple, flavorful recipe that's perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise as the base. Next, grab half a cup of fresh buttermilk. This adds that classic tangy ranch flavor. For extra creaminess and body, incorporate 1/4 cup of sour cream. Don't forget the fresh herbs. A tablespoon each of chopped dill, chives, and parsley will bring vibrant, fresh notes to your dressing. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the mayonnaise, buttermilk, and sour cream. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are smooth and well blended. Then, stir in your fresh herbs and any additional spices you prefer, like garlic powder or onion powder. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. If you like a thinner dressing, add a tablespoon or 2 of milk. Once your ranch dressing is mixed, cover it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. When you're ready, give it a quick stir and drizzle generously over your favorite salad. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and delicious for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.